Hey, it's Randy at Mountain Air Farms. Alright, it's raining outside today. It's been raining all day. Finally decided to cut up some of the wood we've been letting dry, and we started making a few things with it. We had some walnut, we had some rainbow poplar. The walnut, I'm making cutting boards. This is after it's oiled, and that's before. But it's really turning to different. And this came out of the bottom trunk of the tree, and this came out of the top trunk of the tree. And it looks totally different. I mean, totally different. Totally different color and everything.
Now you've left the live edge on those?
Yep, I left the live edge on those. And this one I've oiled down. So
that's the same one.
That'll be that color after I get through with it.
Okay.
But I've still got a lot of sanding to do.
Now, you left the live edge, and are you going to put, this is a cutting board, correct?
Yeah, this is a cutting board. I'm going to put like little leather handles on them. Come up on these, on the cutting boards.
On the edge, so
yeah.
People could hang them or whatever.
Yeah, whatever you want to do with them.
Okay.
And then our serving trays is just going to have handles on them where we can pick up. I'm using poplar for the serving trays. And I am going to make some of the walnut serving trays too.
Right, this is tulip poplar. This is the one we did the other day. And nice little brass handles. 3.5 inch handles. This is also tulip poplar. So each one is going to be so unique and different. These have not been stained yet polyurethane. They'll have. We had, what, 8 coats?
Yeah.
We did 8 coats of polyurethane to make it look nice, shiny, smooth. That nice, presentable look. Now this is also going to be serving trays, but he's going to leave the live edge.
Now I have little handles on them like that, on the edges.
And they're also going to be polyurethane at least 8 times.
But we've got a bunch more stacked up over here.
We've got a whole stack to have fun with.
So if anybody wants a serving tray, we will have them on there for sale.
Yeah, we will. Please.
These are mainly Christmas presents right here.
Yeah, the first ones we're doing because you never know how your first ones are going to turn out, and we're trying to make them look really nice. And so they're going to be Christmas presents. And
I knew it would progress to the woodworking part, but the sawmill part, I've done all the sawmill part, but you never know what the end result's going to be. I've slabbed up a bunch of cedar stuff, but I've never finished it out. And this is gorgeous finished. A little bit more hard work, but it's a lot of sanding, planing.
yes, and we realized we borrowed a planer. A friend of ours had a planer he wasn't using. You really have to be set up for catching sawdust. Because,
yeah, it made a mess.
Now our garage was probably a foot deep in sawdust. We're trying to do it in the garage because it's raining. We're going to have to kind of set up the planer in a designated area for planing only because we weren't really expecting that much sawdust.
No.
So,
but we will. After we get them done, we'll do a little video of them done. And we may price a few of them, put them out there for sale.
yeah, and you can always ask us a comment. I will respond back to you. You know, send us a message, whatever you wish.
And just let us know what's going on. I know everybody's got stuff going on in the world. And just send us a message, tell us where you live, and just what's going on in your world.
Yeah.
What you're doing, what your projects are, and different things. But we want to know what's going on with you all. We don't have a lot of followers, but we've got some, and I'd like to keep up with the ones we got.
That is true. Like I said, we just wanted to show you what we were doing. This is going to be a short and sweet video, and that's just, to me, that is amazing. That is, I could see this, and once you oil it to this, is normal. That the same tree that produced this. This was the lower part of the trunk. This was up high in the tree. So, you know, God gives us beautiful creations, and we just have to stop and, we're at awe at what He does. We can't reproduce anything as beautiful as what He can. So, like I said, we just wanted to give you a little video this morning. We've got the rain coming in from Hurricane, is it Ida? So anyway, hurricane's raining in on us. Luckily, we're just getting the rain.
Yeah, not like them poor people down in Louisiana south of us.
Yeah, so keep them in your prayers. I know it's going to be very devastating. It was actually the 16-year anniversary, I think, of Katrina, and it hit almost the same area. So, a lot of people have it a lot worse than we do. So, always be in prayer for those people. Well, do you have anything else to say?
No, just remember to like and subscribe and leave comments. We're going to get busy sanding, see if we can get some of these done today.
Yeah, we'll later on we'll send you a follow-up, show you what they look like. As always, remember, we love you, God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.